For today's recipe, luto tayo ng pansit. Simpleng pansit. We'll see. Lagyan natin ng konting avocado oil. Okay. And then, a little bit of butter. Pirituin natin yung eggs. Fry it. And then, meron tayo ng onion. And then, 1 scoop of garlic. Bawang. Okay. Singkutsain natin. Mix well. Yeah, meron tayong cabbage. Meron tayong cabbage dito. And then, carrots. Okay. Mix it together. Mix it well. This is my extra vegetable. Masisira lang to. So, masira yung vegetable ko. I have to cook it. Anyways. Then, dinagay ko yung pansit bihon ko. And then, 1 cubes over here. Okay. Then, lagay natin yung jowa nyo or asawa nyo. A little bit soy sauce. And then, a little bit of oyster sauce. Like 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Okay. And then, 1 tablespoon of sugar. And then, black pepper. A little bit of black pepper. Then mix it well. Then, last, lagyan natin ng eggs on top. Itlog ng asawa niya. Joke. Pancit with eggs. Delicious. Thanks for watching. Bye. God bless. There you go. Yan yung kapaalar ng pancit ko kanina. There you go. Final result. Thanks. There you go. Final result. Spring roll with my pancit.